Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CoinGecko portfolio tracking with wallet integration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable CoinGecko portfolio tracking with wallet integration, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the CoinGecko website. Log into your CoinGecko account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, look for the Portfolio tab in the main menu. Click on the Portfolio tab to access your portfolio management tools. On the Portfolio page, locate the Wallet or Wallet Integration option. Click on the Wallet option to begin the integration process. You will see a list of supported wallets for integration. Choose the wallet you wish to connect, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another supported option. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the wallet connection. If you are using a browser wallet like MetaMask, you'll need to confirm the connection request. After confirmation, your wallet will be linked to your CoinGecko account. Once connected, your wallet transactions and balances will automatically sync with your CoinGecko portfolio. To customize your portfolio settings, navigate to the Settings or Preferences section. In the settings, you can adjust your notifications, portfolio view, and other preferences. After configuring your settings, go back to your portfolio to view your assets. Your portfolio will now reflect real-time updates based on your wallet activity. You can track the performance of your assets from the portfolio dashboard. For further insights, explore additional features provided by CoinGecko, such as price alerts and market analysis. Congratulations, your CoinGecko portfolio tracking with wallet integration is now successfully enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.